Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good. See children, physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a strong and clear physics teacher. So here I am Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel Bhautics. So now here I have brought you one more question which was asked in the board examination in the year 2014 in the question paper set number 31/4/1. So the question goes like this. Absolute refractive index of glass and water is 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 respectively. And if the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second, speed of light in water is. They have given two mediums, glass and water. The absolute refractive index of glass is 3 by 2 and water is 4 by 3. Now, they have given speed of light in glass. It is 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Now, we have to find out the speed of light in water. But they did not give any relation between the refractive index of glass and water. We need to find that relation. We know that formula N12, refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium will be N1 divided by N2. So, this formula can be related and used to solve this problem now. So this formula I'll write for glass and water. So I'll write for refractive index of glass with respect to water will be is equal to refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. Okay. So now refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal to, what is refractive index of glass? They gave 3 by 2 divided by refractive index of water they gave as 4 divided by 3. So I'll send this 4 by 3 to the numerator. It becomes 3 by 4. So refractive index of glass with respect to water will be is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 divided by 4. So 3 into 3 9, 2 into 4 8. So refractive index of glass with respect to water will be is equal to 9 divided by 8. This is one formula to relate the refractive index of glass with respect to water. And we also know that refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium will be equal to velocity of light in second medium divided by velocity of light in first medium, or the speed of light in second medium to first medium. So this I will relate to this formula or to this problem as refractive index of glass with respect to water can be written as speed of light in water divided by speed of light in glass. Now we have this value we found out here, and they gave this value. They asked us to find out this value. Substitute all the two values here. Refractive index of glass with respect to water we found it as 9 divided by 8 is equal to, we have to find out the speed of light in water. This we have to find out. What is speed of light in glass? They gave it as 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. 2 into 10 power 8. So I'll send this 2 into 10 power 8 this side. It becomes 9 divided by 8 into 2 into 10 power 8 is equal to VW. 2 ones, 2 fours. It becomes 9 by 4 into 10 power 8 is equal to VW. So speed of light in water is 9 by 4 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video. If anybody is interested to join our online physics tuitions, you can contact us.